So let's cut to the chase and let's find out who that Daisy winner is, he or she, whoever that may be.
Okay. From the Daisy nominations received during the month of February, the winner is Maria Peradilla. Okay. I'm gonna have you put this. I'm gonna have you put this on her while I read it.
Come on over here. Come on over here. Let her put that on you.
Here.
Kathy.
Here are her. There we go. Okay. Here are her nominations from the last 12 months. She was very polite and caring while doing professional job. She went above and beyond what was required. I was impressed with the level of care she gave her patients. She made me feel that when I left my family member, she was in good hands. This was in November 2015. She took care of my husband. We were fortunate enough to have her every night shift we were here. She was always kind and patient. Her dedication as a nurse was clearly evident. She checked on him frequently. She was able to meet all of his needs, and I felt at ease that I could get sleep at home and how he was well cared for. He has special limitations, and she was careful to help in those areas. Sometimes it's the little things that mean so much, like opening a drink or finding juice that he liked. She always asked us if we needed anything, and I appreciate her including our family when she asked about meeting his needs. We're made to feel as if we were family. You're gonna make me tear up. She also said goodbye at the end of every shift, and we always looked forward to seeing her again. She always took the time to explain everything to us. She talked to us about medication, exercises, and equipment with a clear knowledge and understanding. She was careful to make sure we understood everything that was going on. I love that Trinity Mother Francis was smart enough to hire her. Good job. Nomination received November 15, another. She made a special point to understand my individual needs. She was always going above and beyond the standard to show compassion and kindness. She knew my previous surgeries limited my arm mobility, so she made sure I was safely making it from bed to chair to bath and to eat. She moved my tray, glasses, drinks, and etc., where I was able to easily reach them. She even went to the other floors, departments, to get juices I preferred. She also inquired about my comfort level, asking each time if there was anything I needed. I felt I had 100% of her attention when I needed her. I requested that Maria took care of me every time she worked. She took time to share ways and steps that I needed to take to enhance my recovery. I feel very blessed to have been in her care. In February 2016, she was a blessing and a delight. Our dad is elderly and had 8-hour surgery. He came back to his room shaking and crying. Maria was prompt, compassionate, and knowledgeable. She called the doctor 2 or 3 times and always reported to us what he said. Our doctor called her his angel. She answered the call light promptly, was always smiling, and brought him extra pillows and blankets. Dad gave Maria a big hug and told her how much he appreciated her when he was discouraged. Now it is my pleasure on behalf of the Daisy Foundation to proclaim you, Maria Peradilla, a Daisy Award Extraordinary Nurse. Here is your award certificate. Ta-da! Okay. And I'd like to read what it says. The Daisy Award for the Extraordinary Nurses. This award is presented to Maria Peradilla, BSN, RN, PCCN, in deep appreciation of all that you do, who you are, and the incredible, meaningful difference you make in the lives of so many people. Very good. And I would like to present you with a Daisy pin, and we have already placed it on her. Okay. There will be 2 banners. There will be one for this unit, and there will be one that in her new CICU. We miss you. And the other, and the ever popular parking pass, which always, which allows the winner free reserved parking in the parking garage for 1 month. Now a message from the Daisy Foundation. By definition, this Daisy Foundation thinks all nurses are extraordinary, and we wish we had the resources to honor all of you individually. Nurses who receive the Daisy Award often say, everyone in the unit deserves the award as much as I do, or I don't deserve this, I was just doing my job. What the Daisy nurse may not realize, however, is that when nurses are just doing their jobs, they have such an important and meaningful impact on lives of so many people, many more than the patients. At every Daisy Award presentation, we ask each nurse to pause for just a minute and realize how very special they are and how they make the world a better place by just doing their jobs. Today, a nurse's job entails many things, but no matter what the day brings, a nurse's impact is invaluable and long-lasting to their patients and family. Thanks to your education and training, your commitment and judgment, your compassion and connection with your patients, you are very special. You make the world such a better place by just doing your job. The skill and compassion you bring to patient care makes a patient's outcome more positive and makes a family member feel a little better, so they are better able to help with the patient's healing. Please think about the impact you're having. Story after story brings this light. I would encourage you to look at the National Daisy website and read the stories. The link is in the Nursing Public. Prior to our closing prayer, I want to give a special thanks to those who nominated Maria. This award does not happen unless you take the time to write the nomination, and it means a great deal that you care enough for Maria to do this. Thank you for choosing nursing as a career and for the skill, care, and compassion you give to your patients every day. And to Maria, congratulations. Woo-hoo.